comes with. So I'll show you. These are, it's like a cheese grater, and then this is the third one. It just has like little divots in it. So when you're not using it, I would put them in a holder so they're not like in a drawer because they're very, very sharp. So to use this, you just use this one. Pop it in, push down just like that, and put whatever you're cutting, attach it to this, and then it glides really nice like that, so you don't, cut your finger on accident. You can adjust how thick or thin you want it. So I just made it go all the way down, and it just went up. Hopefully you could see that. And when you're done cutting, all you have to do is pull this part out, and everything will be right in there for you. So that's really nice. If you want to chop, just stick this on. Comes with 2 different sizes, choppers, a bigger one and then a smaller one. So to use this, be very careful, it's very sharp. You just put it in like that, and then there's a little slide the lock, so then it won't come out, so it's in there safe. And you put your onion or whatever, close it, and then everything is in this container very nicely. It's really good quality. It has these little tools to help get all the pieces out and to help clean it, because some of the pieces are really fine. Stuff probably can get stuck in there. Also has a spiralizer, so you put a cucumber in there, you turn it. You can adjust. There's 2 different settings. But yeah, really good quality. Love all it can do.